Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be revisiting that famous Christmas song, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Now in the last tutorial I made on this song, we looked at the lower part of your tremolo harmonica, but today we'll be looking at how to play it an octave higher than we did in the last tutorial. So let's jump straight into it. For phrase 1, blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, blow into 11, blow into 15, breathe into 14, and blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, blow into 15, and breathe into 16. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, breathe into 12, blow into 13, breathe into 12, breathe into 10, breathe into 16, breathe into 14, and blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, breathe into 14, and blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 5 is exactly the same as phrase 1, phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2, and phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 3. So let's move on to phrase 8. Blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, breathe into 14, blow into 13, breathe into 18, and blow into 15. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 9, breathe into 14 twice. Blow into 15. Breathe into 14. Blow into 13. Blow into 11. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 10, breathe into 12. Breathe into 14. Blow into 13. Breathe into 12. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 11, breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. Blow into 13. Breathe into 14. Breathe into 16 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 12, blow into 15 twice. Breathe into 16. Breathe into 14. Blow into 13. Breathe into 12. And breathe into 10. Practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 13 is exactly the same as phrase 1. Phrase 14 is exactly the same as phrase 2. Phrase 15 is exactly the same as phrase 3. Phrase 16 is exactly the same as phrase 8. So let's try putting all these phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you haven't already, you can check out part 1 of this tutorial in which I show you how to play this song an octave lower on your tremolo harmonica. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.